Hi guys, Mrs. Ingalls here. This week, our art is going to be made digitally, and we're going to be using a resource online called the Kandinsky Music Lab, and it's going to be based on artist Vasily Kandinsky. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see it. And here we go. So this is the Kandinsky Lab. And what you're going to do is you're going to start by making some of the lines that you learned about this week, like maybe a straight line. Did you hear that it made a noise? What about a wavy line? Maybe a spiral. Now maybe I'll make a shape. The cool thing with this is if you make a circle, it'll turn into a person. Maybe I'll do a zigzaggy line. That wasn't really zigzag. Let's do a true zigzag. Maybe I'll do another zigzag. And then when I'm done, I can press the play button. Maybe I want to change it to a different color. Maybe now that I've heard it, I want to go back and add some other sounds. And line. Now, when I did this, I just did lines and shapes, but maybe you want to make a picture of an actual thing, like a person or an animal. What would that sound like? What would happen if you changed the colors? How would the sound change? I want you to try it out, play around with this. You can always take a video and send it to me, or you can just play it for your family and